Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can do if you don't have the plants required for the severed spine seed and grow a garden. Basically, you can go server hopping. It's very hard though to get these. The items that they request is very rare. Like well, maybe if you played this game and grinded, you would have had everything, but I don't. So you can just submit everything there, but if you don't have the plants required, you can try server hopping, and hopefully it like asks for the plants you already have. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what you can do if you don't have the plants needed for the what is it, summoning thing? Let me see, the Harvest Reaper. Yeah. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.